Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about ARC Raiders error code ARON1400. The error reads, an illegal mutation was rejected by the backend. The inventory has been rolled back to its previous state. We have to redirect you back to the main hub. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to perform inventory actions such as dismantling ARC parts, selling weapons, or returning to the main hub after playing a match. According to our research, this error is related to back-end inventory issues that happen when the server detects an inconsistent item change. It is often triggered by server crashes, sync issues, or unstable connections. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to quit the game and restart it. In some cases, players receive the error after resuming their last game session. But restarting the game from a fresh session helped them access the inventory again. So we suggest you also try this and check for the error. If the error still comes, then avoid selecting multiple items when performing inventory actions. The issue has been reported to occur when trying to mass sell loot. So try selling or dismantling items one by one and check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then it may be due to ongoing sync or server issues. In this case, avoid making heavy inventory changes and try again later. These types of backend errors usually clear up once the servers stabilize. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.